This is your chance, my friend, to start selling kids' activity pages on Etsy and Amazon right now. I'm making everything super easy for you. All you have to do is follow along, and soon you'll be creating beautiful activity pages without any effort at all. And as usual, at the end of this video, I'll give you a special gift that will make designing these pages so much easier. But before we start designing, we need to make sure this product is actually profitable. If we look up at the red line, we can see this product is making real sales right now as I'm recording this video. The seller is offering these activity pages for just $1.37. And if we scroll down a bit, we can see that it already has 5,000 good reviews. And as we all know, most customers don't even leave reviews after buying. So with a quick calculation, this seller has made around 10,000 sales. That means they've earned more than $13,000 from these simple activity pages. Stay with me till the end. I'll show you how to make something even better, and you'll see it with your own eyes. Now, if we look at the reviews below, they're all positive. This clearly means that buyers really love these pages. And here the seller confirms that these pages are sold as a digital product. And that's exactly what matters to us right now. Let's take a closer look at these pages. They're very basic matching activities. The seller just placed the same images twice, one on the left, one on the right, and changed their order. The child's job is to match the identical pictures together. Honestly, that's super easy to design. But we won't do exactly the same thing. We're going to make it way better, and you'll see how in a second. This seller created pages with geometric shapes, cars, vegetables, animals, fruits, birds, and other child-friendly elements. They sell 50 pages, size 8.5 by 11 inches, in a single PDF file. So stay with me until the end. Don't get bored, this video is short. I'll teach you how to design even better pages. But before we move to the design step, I'd really appreciate your support. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment. This motivates me to make more tutorials and teach you how to become a professional seller on Etsy, Amazon KDP, and other platforms. Now let's head straight to Canva. We'll create a new design with a size 8.5 by 11 inches. After that, we'll need to place a title at the top of each page. So we'll press the L key on the keyboard to add a straight line. We'll make it a bit bigger, then round the edges from the control panel at the top. We can also adjust the line thickness. Let's set it to 1. Then we'll drag the line across the page so we can add the title above it. You can get creative here. If you prefer placing the title inside a rectangle, that's totally fine. But personally, I love keeping my designs clean and simple. To add a title, we'll press T on the keyboard to insert text. Then we'll change the font. I personally love using Genty Sans for kids' activity pages. We can also change the font color, I'll go with red, and add a black outline to make it more eye-catching for children. Next, we'll type in our page title. For this example, I'll make it Match the Animal to Its Home. I know this step can feel a bit tricky. Coming up with ideas for each page is often the hardest part, but don't worry. Remember the gift I promised at the beginning? It will make this part so much easier. Now let's add the animals on the left side and their homes on the right. So I'll go to Elements on the left side and choose this square. Then I'll give the square a black outline with a thickness of 2 and remove the red fill color so it's transparent. We want to place 5 animals on the left side and 5 animal homes on the right side. So we'll place 5 squares on the left and 5 on the right. Then I'll copy and duplicate them to have a total of 10 boxes on the page, 5 left, 5 right. You can skip the boxes if you want and place the images directly, but I find the boxes make the activity easier for the child and look more polished. The next step is to add the animals in the left boxes and their homes in the right boxes. Let's start with the first animal, the bird. I'll pick a bird image I like from the Elements tab, resize it, and place it inside the first left box. Then I'll search for a bird's nest and place it in the third box on the right. So the child will have to match the bird in the first box on the left with the nest in the third box on the right. Then we'll add more animals like the dog, the bee, the fish, and the horse. Each animal should be placed on the left and its home on the right, but not in the same position. For example, if the bird is in the first box on the left, its nest should not be in the first box on the right. That's how the matching activity becomes more fun for the kids. Now I'll speed up the process of adding the rest of the images so you don't get bored. Once the whole book design is ready, we'll download it as a PDF file. But wait, we're not done yet. Remember the gift I mentioned at the beginning? It's a file with 50 ready-made activity ideas that I've gathered just for you. For each of these 50 ideas, I've included the page title and the items for the left and right boxes. All you need to do is copy the activity, search for the images, and add them exactly like we did in this tutorial. Let's design another page together from that file to make things even easier. I'll duplicate the first page we created and remove all the images. Then I'll go back to the file and choose page 15. Match the fruit to its color. We'll change the title just like before, then copy the fruit names from the file and search for them in the Elements tab. I'll resize the images and place them in the left boxes. For example, if we place a banana in the first box, we'll look for the yellow color and place it in one of the right boxes, not the same position. Then we'll do the same for the other fruits: apple, grapes, orange, and watermelon. Fruits on the left, colors on the right, and just like that, we've designed the second page so easily using the gift file. You'll find this file on my Telegram channel, and I'll leave the link in the pinned comment below. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more content about creating unique, low competition book ideas that sell well right now, then make sure to check out my channel. You'll find lots of amazing tutorials waiting for you. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.